All right, so here it is. We just got her. All right, 4,500 watts, 38 gallons, 2 to 4 people. All right, well, there's 2 people in there. 108 pounds, holy shit, it's fucking heavy. There's the information on the side. And it's telling you all this stuff that you need. Look at it all. I don't know about a propane torch, but yeah. Now we just gotta open it and check it out. All right, let's see what's in it. Wow, it's easy. I mean, could they make it harder? Pop out my freaking hernia doing this. What's in here, huh? What is in here? Ta-da! All right, so here we are. All right, so you've got hot on this side, cold on this side. So your cold water is going to come in here, hot water is going to come out of there. This is your safety valve. So if it gets over a certain degree of temperature, that thing right there will automatically release the steam or the air. If it gets, I think it's water boils at 250, something like that. Over here it says do not remove before reading. Attention, do not make electrical connection and do not turn the power on until you have performed the following steps. Verified that all the water lines are connected. Verified the cold water supply line. Valve is open. Run hot water faucets in the house to ensure water heater tank is completely filled. Yeah, so we got to do all that. Here's some more information. And here is this special thing here. Get that? Yeah, see that? It's all attached on here. So this is the safety valve right here. But anyway, yeah, that's the top of the hot water heater. And we just got to install it now, I guess. So let's take a look and see if there's something in here that we need to look at. It might come with a cord. I don't know. Oh, this is insulation to go around it. Okay, I get that. Let's see what's here. Maybe more insulation on this side. I don't know. We'll find out. Yeah, this is insulation. All right. You can wrap around the outside of it. I don't know if we're going to do that or not. What's down here? Oh, look at that. Nothing in there. Oh, they put these. I think these are that you can put these around the pipe to insulate the pipe. You follow me? So yeah. All right. So now we just got to remove the one that's in there. Do you have your knife? You want to cut the sides off of this? All right, so we're going to get a better look at this. That's where you drain it. So this will be the front of it. All right. That is insulation that you can wrap around the hot water heater. All right. So this is going to be your place where you flush it. And in here are the 2 heating elements. And so we've got to check those 2 once we get it, put it in there and get it connected. We're going to wrap this with tape, and yeah, that's how we're going to do it. So let's get this one out of here, man. Check out all of my other videos on how to remove an old hot water heater and install this new one.